Assalamualaikum. Our school supply. It is back to school time. I see to my school bags to some place. I say to Mia, this is my pouch and this is my markers. This is my ruler and this is my crayons and this is my sharpener and this is my eraser and this is my pencil and this is my glue and this is my storybook and this is my glitter sheet. Let me bag for myself. This is my bag and this is my colors and this is my eraser and this is my sharpener and this is my pouch and this is my storybook. Bye.